Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys this crypto trading investment website which has a lot of features like copy trading, ability for you to trade, buying of NFT, signal, subscription, taking of loans, um, a lot of features on this particular website. All right, so this website has a lot of features. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up this particular website for yourself and just walk you through all the features in this particular website. All right, so this is the front end of this particular website. You can see the content has already been done for you. Everything is just talking about trading, investment. All right, so you can just click on get started to register an account or click on login to log into your account. All right, so I already have an account, so I'll just log into my account so I can just walk you through all the steps on this all the features in this particular website. All right, once you log into your account, it will take you straight to the dashboard which you are seeing right here. All right, so in your dashboard we have your total balance, your profit, your total bonus, account status right there, your total trade, open trade, close trade, and 1/loss ratio. All right, so that's for that section right there. So we have make deposit and withdraw funds, and we have your settings right there. So this particular section right here, we have this where to actually trade. All right, so you can trade your pair or your type. So you can choose on crypto to show your crypto asset, then click on Forex asset right there, and stock your stock asset right there. So you can increase your leverage and click on whatever one you want. So you can set your duration right here, put your amount, put your stop loss, take profit and stop loss, whether buy or sell. You right this edge here, we have your just like a little chart here to analyze your trade before making any investment right there, right? So just have some data right here, just a crypto market and recent price of all that right there. All right. So we're going to be walking through all these things right here, right from top to down, so we can cover all these particular features on this website. All right. So the first thing we're talking about is the deposit. Let's click on deposit. All right, deposit. All right. So on this particular website has a lot of options for users to actually deposit to this particular website. All right. So we can deposit the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDT, Solana right here. So to make a deposit, you just click on make deposit right here. So you can copy the address or just scan the QR code right there. So once you upload your proof of payment right here, just upload your proof of payment right there. So you input your amount. Let's say you transfer the $1,000 to this account. Click on submit. All right. Or as you can see, account funded fund account funds just repeat wait for the system to validate your transfer. So once that has been confirmed, the money will be credited straight to your account. All right. So let's go to withdraw. Let's click on withdraw right here. So withdraw, just need to select your withdrawal type. So you want to withdraw through bank transfer and pick your bank name, account number, then your amount. So let's say we want to withdraw through, let's say Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin right there. So we can put let's withdraw $100 right there. So request withdrawal. All right. All right. As you can see, withdrawal notice. You can see your withdrawal is at 25% completed right here. So you require to put like a commission fee code. So if you don't have that, you can just call the admin for that. That's one feature about this particular website right here. So before any user can make withdrawal, they will be asked to put their commission fee code. All right, so that you can get from the admin. All right, so once you can put that right there, you just can verify, and that withdrawal will be processed. All right, so let's go to trade. On trade, that's the next feature right there. Trade. All right, so trade. All right, perfect. So for trading, like I said before, you can choose your pair or your type, whatever you call it. Let's choose it. So we're going with Forex, or let's go with stock. Um, let's trade Facebook. So we're going for 10% leverage. So let's go for 1 minute. So let's put about 30 USD right here. So let's take profit at 50 USD. since we input the amount of $30 my amount, so let's say stop loss should be roughly about, let's say, $20. So let's click on buy. All right. All right. Trade executed successfully, or your trade has been placed successfully. You can view your trade details below in your history. All right. So you can see the trade history right here. So you can see the start. This is open right here. You can see the time left and stuff like that. All right. So you can click on my trades. Okay. Okay, that's so if you want to click on trade now to actually trade again. All right, so that's all about the trading session. So let's go back to the sidebar. All right, let's click on next feature is the copy expert. Click on copy expert. All right, so to copy an expert, you just have to, as you can see, you can just see the expert want to copy. You can see the amount, the profit share, and stuff like that right there. So to copy expert, you just need to click on start copying. Just click on that. You pop up this and you need to click on yes to start or no to cancel. Let's go on yes to start. All right, let's copy that expert. All right. All right, perfect. So you can see you have started copying Alex. All right, you can close that. You can see you can actually still stop. You can stop copying that particular expert. As you can see, it has stopped copying that expert. So that's just all about this copy expert features. All right, the next part is the subscription. Subscription is like the investment right here. So we have different plans right here. You can edit that from the admin. So you have duration, we have minimum, the maximum amount, and their automatic ROI daily. All right. So starter plan, basic plan. All right. So let's say you want to invest on this particular starter plan. Minimum is 50 USD. So let's click on 50 right there. Let's click on join plan. Yes to join. All right. All right, perfect. I can see you successfully purchased a plan, starter plan. Starter plan is active now. Click on close. So if you click on my plan right here, my plan is to see all your history of the investments right here. So to see the particular details of that particular history, you just click on this arrow right here. Just click on it, so you can see the details assigned to that particular plan. All right, so you have your invested amount, your profit in, total return, duration, started end date, minimum return, things like that right there. So that's just all about the subscription part. And let's go straight to the NFTs. All right, NFTs. So in this session, user can actually buy right, so yeah, buy NFT. Let's click on buy. Let's say we want to buy this particular NFT. Click on buy. All right, so you can buy the NFT. Are you sure you want to buy this NFT? You can buy the NFT, or you can actually still bid on this particular NFT. Let's say you want to buy this NFT. Let's go buy the NFT. All right. NFT purchase successfully. Seller has been credited. All right. So I'm now the owner of this particular NFT. So I can set the NFT back if I want. So you can set the NFT back. All right. So you can just click on sell to sell that particular NFT. Right? So this is my all the NFT I have available sold. All right, let's say we want to go to the next feature, which is the signal. Let's go to signal. All right. Signal, trading signal. So this is signal history right here. So let's say signal plans. Let's click on signal plans. All right. All right, perfect. All right, you can see all the signal plan on this particular website. So you can just subscribe to this particular one, wherever fits you. Um, power support. 1 week duration, general trading signal, stuff like that. So let's click on subscribe. Subscribe to that. All right, so you can see subscription successful. You can see right here. So you can just click on that. You can see all your history of your signal, which you are subscribed to, will be right here, as you can see. All right, so the next part is the loan. So this website actually still offer loans, so you can actually user can actually still take loan from this particular website, right? So you can take loan for wherever you want, so health, finance, school, mortgage, wherever. Duration, income, purpose of the loan. Just click on submit application. Very easy to do. All right, so you can see loan request submitted sources. Once that has been approved, you know, it will be sorted out for you. All right, so that's all about the loan session. Okay, so let's go to the history. History will be your trading history. As you can see, you have your asset, the amount, the type is won or lost, the date created. That's just all for that history part. Then we have transaction history. All right, as you can see, we just have deposit right here, withdraw, then others. Others is just combination of your everything, both the signal history, investment history, trading history, everything will go right there. All right, so we have news. Right, so currently there are no news. All right, okay, it's loading. Okay, you have some news right there. So that's the news section. Then we have account settings. So account settings, users can edit their full name, their username, phone number, country. All right, you can just click on update. So you can just see your account record right here. We have account settings, so you can update your profile image, change your password, and just basically normal profile settings. All right, so we have referrals. Referrals is just copy your referral link. You can see your referral history right there. All right, so that's all about the user side. So the next part of this video is to take you to the admin so that we can see the features that are actually there. So where you user the admin can approve, withdraw, set up some site setting and stuff like that right there. All right, so for the admin, I think it's already logging already. All right, perfect. So once you log into your admin, to log into your admin, be your domain name slash admin slash login. So once you log in, it will take you straight to this particular dashboard right here. This is the admin dashboard, right? So after deposit, pending deposit, total withdrawal, pending withdrawals, total users, block users, active users, investment plan, right? So let's start from this place right here, from the manage user straight down to settings. All right, let's click on manage users. Okay, manage users, you can actually see the list of all the users on this particular website, whether you want to edit the user details, you want to fund the user, you want to block the user, right? So on the manage user section, that's where you'll be able to actually do that. All right, so just wait for it to load. All right, perfect, perfect. All right, so you can actually still add a new user if you want. You can just add a user, full name, email, password, add a user too on this particular website. So let's say we want to edit a user. Okay. Um, so to actually edit a user, you just click on manage. All right, click on manage. We want to manage that user, right? So you can view the person plan. You can view the person plan. You can mark as expired, delete plan right there. So let's go back. So we can you can see the person account status active. You can see the details right here. So in this action right here, so this way you can block user, you can turn off trading, you can credit the user, the bonus, whatever you want to credit right there, debit account, profit, you can do that there. Then we can do set user winning rates. You can set that. You can actually see do set withdrawal code. All right, so this code, when we want to place withdrawal before, we were asked to put your commission code and your anti the two codes. So you'll be asked to put two codes for when user want to place withdrawal. So this way you can actually edit those codes right there. Set withdrawal code, then you can send notification to user dashboard. You can reset the user password. You can clear the account, add trading history to the particular account. You can edit the person account right here. All right, so you can actually still add referral, send email, login. All right, you can actually see delete the person analytics of the account. All right, so that's just all about the manage user session. So let's go to the investment section. We start from the investment plans. All right, investment plans. So this is the investment plans on the website. So to edit the investment plan, you can just click on this one right here, edit, click on it. So you can edit the investment plan. Once you are done, you click on update. All right, so this X here is to delete. So you can actually still add from this particular one here. Click on add plan. So once you click on add plan, you can add a new investment plan right there. All right, so let's go to active investments. All right, active investment is just investment user have actually made on your website, right? So we have investments right here. I think this is the one I did also. I don't know. Can't I think that's not it. So let's click on action right here. So you can more action, more actions, right? So for the investment, so you can delete it. You can just mark it as expired. So you can just close that investment. All right. So next part is the manage deposits. Click on manage deposits. All right, manage deposits. So you can see all the pending deposits we did. All right, so this was the one I did. So you can view the screenshot of the payments, the transaction, um, receipts or something like that. All right. So once it has been confirmed, you can just click on process. All right. All right. That has been processed. So if I should go to my balance, that money should have been credited to my account. All right. So let's go to manage withdrawals. All right, withdraw. So once user make the withdraw, it will show right here. You can approve or actually still delete it right here. Right, I've not made any withdrawal on this particular website. That's why there are no data to be displayed there. All right, so let's go to the next part, which is the trading, which is trade. So you can create trades for clients. All right, so you can select the particular user which you want to create trades for. You can just put them there, select the pair, put them right there, the action, whether it's buy, the leverage, the amount, take profit, duration, and stuff like that. Then once you click on create, that trade will actually be created on that particular user account. All right, so that's that for that. We have client trade. So client trade is just the history of all the clients on your website, all the histories. All right, so you can see, you can actually edit, you can edit the trade. All right, so to edit the trade, you can just change the type, asset name, stuff like that. You can take it from open to close, then take profit, you can take it to won or lost. So that's how you can actually see do that for each user trade. All right, so let's go to signals. Signal plans, signal plans. You can see all the signal plans right here. So you can edit or delete a particular signal plan. So you can increase the amount, change the name, change some right up right here, the duration. Once you click on update, that will be updated. So you can create new plan. That's to create new signal plan. Just put it right there. All right. So just click on create plan. All right. Next part is the manage copy, manage expert copy. That's to copy expert session. All right. So this is it. So you can edit the same thing. You can edit or delete. So you can put the image right there. Then you can also still add a new expert right there. So you can just put the image, the name, any rates, profits, and stuff like that right there. Right. So let's go to manage NFTs. All right, manage NFTs. So you can also do the same thing here. You can edit. You can see all the bids. You can see bids. So all the bids. You can approve the bids. Right. You can see all but NFTs right here too. You can add new NFT. Click on add. You just um repeat your NFT name, description, price, category, put the image right there. So that's all about the um manage NFT session. All right, let's go to manage loans. Okay, manage loans. All right, so this is the one I did earlier. So you can just approve or reject a loan. Just click on approve. All right. All right, so you can see loan approved and credited. All right. So we have next part is the KYC application. KYC application can just be the KYC of that particular user. So you can just click on action right here. You can approve or reject. Once you approve, add some write up, add some sort of the sort of the email. Click on confirm. The email location will be sent to that particular user. We have tags right here. Oh, okay. Manage account. We have manage trading account. Um, we have administrators. You can add administrator right here. You can add administrator right here. So you can also still manage admins. So you can see all the manage admin will just be all the admin on your website, right? So you can just manage it. You can reset the password, block the admin, whatever you want there. Then we have your settings, your app settings. All right, app settings will be for where you can set your website name. This first one, website name, your title, keywords, site URL. All right, just logo, basic information right there. Then for email, slash logo logins to capture SMTP. You can set up your email, your password on this particular session. As you can see, this website is very straight to the point and very, very easy to use. So that's all about the admin and the user dashboard combined, right? So as you can see, we have talked about all the features of this particular website. So the next part I'm going to be talking about in this particular video is how you can actually set up this particular website for yourself or for your clients. So that's what we'll be talking about next. All right, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can actually set up this particular website for yourself. All right, so you're going to be needing your cPanel for this, which is your domain name and your hosting name, giving your cPanel details. If you don't know how to get that, just contact the number you see on this particular video. All right, so once you have logged into your cPanel, all right, it will take you to this interface which you are seeing right now. So all you just have to do is to look for file manager right here, file manager. All right, so once you click on file manager, scroll down and look for public underscore HTML. This particular one right here. Click on that. All right, so once you are here, you just need to click on upload. But I already have a subdomain which I've created already, so I'll just upload mine inside there. Or just do the same thing which I did, which I'm doing now. You can upload yours inside the public underscore HTML, but I'm uploading mine inside a subdomain. It's the same thing. Just click on upload, select the file. All right, perfect. Just wait for it to finish uploading. So once it gets to 100% and the color change to green, you just know it has finished uploading. So let's wait. All right, you can see it has changed to green. It has finished uploading. So we just cancel that. Then reload this particular place. All right. All right. So once you load here, you can see the file right here. Right click and click on extract files. All right. So just wait for it to finish extracting. All right. All right. Perfect. So once you just see this, you just know the file has finished extracting. So you can click on close or you cancel this wherever you want. All right, perfect. So I see the file right there. So delete the zip file, delete, confirm. All right, so just right click to enter this particular folder. So you just need to before you move the file, make sure click on setting right here and make sure this show hidden file, make sure your own will be like this. Make sure click on it and click on save. Make sure it's on. All right. So now when you have on that, so select all right here. Click on move right here, move. All right. So if you upload yours inside the public underscore HTML, which is the main directory, you should clean everything you're seeing and it should look like this. Then you click on move files. All right. If it's a subdomain or whatever you uploaded into, it should just be that particular part you are moving it to. All right. So for mine, size subdomain, mine will look like this. If it's public underscore HTML, you upload yours into, you clean everything, it should just remain just the public underscore HTML. All right, once you do that, just click on move files. Perfect. Then go back one level outside. Then the file has been moved. Now the next step we're going to do is to create our database. But before we create our database, this SQL folder you're seeing right here, this one, double click on it to enter, then double click on this to download, or you right click and click on download. All right. So go back to this part, this main part, search tools, search for DB, that is database. All right, database wizard. All right. So in this particular case, you be asked to create a database. So you have to give it a name. You can give it anything you want. DB, my site, just name DB. So this is a test work, so I just want to name it test. All right. So click on next step. Once you put that there, put that there. Click on next step. All right. All right, perfect. Database name has been created. Now you have to create your user. So you can just say user or whatever you want. Just make sure to remember what to use. So let me just make my own everything the same thing. Then I've done that. Then for the password, you can click on password generator. So you can just click on generate just wherever you want. You can just copy this password. Then click on I have copied this password in a safe place. Once you click on it, then click on use password. But I don't want to do that. I just want my database name, my username, and my password to be the same. So for me to do that, I just need to copy this. Copy, paste that here, my password, and password again. Paste that there. All right. Once I do that, just click on create user. Perfect. All right. So once I do that, all right, it's saying test cannot be created because it already exists. No worry, don't forget about that error. You won't see that in your own. I already have this already. That's why. So I just have to do is to once you see that, once you have done that, don't worry about this error. You will not see that in yours. So just click on allow all privileges. All right, allow all privileges. Scroll down. Click on make changes on next step. Actually, do the same thing. Click on make changes. All right. So once you click on make changes, all right, perfect. As you can see, username, database name, and my password is actually the same thing. All right. So let me click on. Then before you once you're here, just click on this tools part. Search for tools. Search for PHP my admin. PHP my admin. Click on that. All right. Um. Okay, it's loading. Perfect. All right. So once it's in load, once finish loading, just look for a database which you created. Don't you will not see any of all this in yours in your own. So this is the one I created test. It should be your name you created. So this is mine. Click on it. Click on import. Imports right here. All right. So once click on import, take you to this part. You click on browse. On import. All right. So why that is important? Let us set our database. All right. So once you go back to this particular page, just have to copy my username, database name, and my password. It's actually the same thing for my own. So depending on what you use, just make sure you keep them in a safe place. All right. So go back to your files, your files now. All right. So go to env, this particular right here, .env file. Right click and click on edit. All right. So I click on edit to load up this part. All right. So to do that, you just have to this part, you see where you say data DB database, replace that with your database name, DB username, replace that with your DB username, then your password, replace that with your password. Then for your site URL, paste your site URL right here. All right. So mine is the subdomain. Let me just copy that. All right. Something like this. Be your site URL. To get your site URL is very easy to do. To get your site URL is very easy. So let's go back to tools. Click on these tools. This is your site URL. Will be here. If you upload using the popular HTML, that will be your site URL. All right. So once you put that there, okay, I think that's all. So that's all. So just click on save changes right here. Don't forget to click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, all right, that's done. You have set your database already. So let's check if our SQL has finished importing. So once your SQL finish importing, that's all. Everything is ready and you're good to go. As you can see, it's very easy to set up. In less than 10 minutes, you can set up this particular website for yourself. All right. So if you want to still follow the installation guide, there's an installation guide right here for you. All right, you can see the installation guide right here. You say your PHP version must be 8.1. So to do that, just have to come back here and search for PHP. Right, so PHP version or multi PHP manager, right one right here. So you can actually increase your PHP version. Select your domain name. Once you select it, PHP version right here 8.1. Click on apply. All right. So there's an installation guide right here. You can just actually follow that too. So just see how everything works. Right. You can see that right here. You can see your URL, site URL, admin login / login field to access your admin, then your admin detail right here and the password right here. As you can see, it's very easy to set up. So if you follow each and every step of this particular video, we should not have any issue and everything should be working perfectly for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.